Welcome to Smoothie Week Day 1. Have you ever tried a carrot and curd smoothie? It's the ultimate secret for a happy gut and glowing skin. Let's make it. First, peel and chop your carrots. We're going to boil them until they are perfectly soft and tender. Once they've cooled down, peel and slice one banana. This adds a natural creaminess and sweetness without any sugar. Now, toss the boiled carrots and banana into the blender. And add a fresh cup of curd for those healthy probiotics. Blend it until it's smooth and creamy. And there you have it. Your refreshing Day 1 detox drink is ready to give you that perfect healthy glow. Don't forget to subscribe to Rach-Cooking for Day 2 and more healthy, delicious recipes.